Every image you've ever seen, your first sunrise, your child's face, traveled through one single cable. It's called the optic nerve. And when it's damaged, doctors have historically said, there's nothing we can do. Today, that's starting to change. The optic nerve carries over 1 million nerve fibers from your retina straight to your brain. When those fibers are damaged by injury, glaucoma, poor blood flow, inflammation, or a condition you're born with, the brain simply stops receiving the picture. That's called optic nerve atrophy, and unlike a cut on your skin, nerve fibers in the eye don't repair themselves on their own. Patients often notice blurry vision, a shrinking field of view, colors that look washed out, or trouble seeing at night. Because it can progress slowly, many people don't realize how much vision they've lost until it's advanced. That's why early diagnosis matters more than almost anything else in this condition. This is where regenerative medicine enters the picture. Researchers are studying mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs, for their ability to support the nerve cells that are still alive. Lab and early clinical studies suggest MSCs can release protective growth factors, calm inflammation around the optic nerve, and improve blood flow and oxygen supply to the remaining nerve fibers. Scientists call this neuroprotection and trophic support. In simple terms, helping the body protect what's left, rather than acting like a surgical repair. Now here's the honest part. Because real medicine deserves real expectations, research into stem cells for optic nerve atrophy is still evolving. Some studies report improvements like better light perception, sharper contrast, or a slower rate of vision loss. But full restoration of vision is not guaranteed for every patient, and results depend heavily on how much of the nerve is still viable. This is exactly why a complete eye evaluation, before anything else, is essential. At Stem Cell Care India, every patient begins with a full ophthalmic workup, vision field testing, imaging of the optic nerve, and a review of medical history before any treatment is even discussed. If a stem cell-based approach may be appropriate, the medical team explains exactly what's involved, what's realistic, and what follow-up looks like. It's a process built on evaluation first, hope second, not the other way around. If you or someone living with optic nerve damage, the most important next step isn't a treatment, it's a conversation. Book your free consultation with Stem Cell Care India and get a clear, honest picture of where things stand and what options may be right for you. Here are some frequently asked questions. Is stem cell therapy safe for eye conditions? Yes, generally safe/well tolerated, often the patient's own cells, still experimental, done under supervision. Can stem cell therapy fully restore my vision? Kept the honest framing. Not guaranteed for everyone, depends on nerve viability, but many notice better light perception or slower progression. Who can actually benefit from this treatment? Patients with optic nerve damage, especially those who haven't responded to conventional treatment, adults and children, post-evaluation,